Just let your beauty shine through. Let it shine through. You're running
So I have added a new product into my skincare regimen. It is glycolic acid. So you know I am a big fan of exfoliation. So I use a, what is it? It's called more of a physical exfoliating rub, and it has the little grains, and it actually rubs the dead skin from the surface of your face. Glycolic acid goes a little bit deeper. It's a glycolic acid peel. It doesn't physically peel, but somehow when you apply it onto your skin, it removes the outer layer of dead skin cells that's on your skin. It removes all of that. I don't know whether it eats it up or it just peels it off or whatever it does, but it removes that dead layer of skin that's on the surface of your face. And once it removes it, your skin feels really silky and healthy. And right after that, that's when you want to apply all of your skincare, because your skin is open and is ready for replenishment. I'm starting off with 30% of glycolic acid, and I purchased this from QRxLabs. Okay, I will put this in the description box below. It's a 30% glycolic acid gel peel. Okay, so I purchased this on Amazon. It actually, I just read the directions, and it gives you the website to go on for the directions. So it's been 2 months I've tried it, so I wanted to just bring it to you because I've seen a tremendous difference in my skin. It actually says now that you can use this once a week. My first time using this, I wasn't going to do it every week. I wanted to start off slow and start off with once a month, being that I have dry skin, and you know, dry skin sometimes is very sensitive to new products. Okay, so the first time I applied this, I just wanted to let you know what's going on. The first time I applied this, my skin it tingled. It tingled, and once I neutralized it and washed it off, and I applied my products, I did see a little actual peel, like dry skin. It took a couple of days, and then it removed itself. Okay, so I don't know whether my skin, this was the first time I used it, so it was maybe reacting a little bit. It's brand new. It actually did dry up and fall off, but it wasn't, my skin didn't feel irritated. So that week I looked at my skin, I thought it looked really good. It was really smooth. My products just glided on, as well as my makeup, so my skin felt wonderful. So this is the 3rd month, so I want to do this with you guys. And I think, you know, if you want to experiment with glycolic acid at home, start off slow with the low dosage. So 30% is the recommended low dose that you can, you know, actually do at home. Some people push the limit and they're going 70, and I'm just going to stick with the 30%. Okay, so what I do when I use this, I just make a neutralizer, and the neutralizer is 1 cup of water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Okay, and I'm just taking some little cotton pads right here, and what I do is I just like to shake everything up just to make sure everything is mixed up well. You want to make sure your skin is thoroughly clean. Apply a little bit on my cotton pad, right up. I start on my forehead. Just add a little bit, and you just want to brush it on. You know, and it says you leave it on from 3 to 4 minutes. I left it on the last time for like maybe 3 minutes. I didn't want to push the limits, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole 4 this time. Do not be alarmed. It does tingle a little bit. And it says do not get around your eye area and around your lip area, on your lips. My nose is like the last thing, because, you know, my nose is kind of sensitive. And just want to put a thin layer on. And I also, again, I do my neck as well. Yes, I'm going to start my timer for 4 minutes. I'm going to take it slow because this is something new for my skin. And a lot of times with me, I'm always pushing the limits. I'm always trying to just do more. And so if it says keep it on for, if it says do it twice a week. I may do it 4 times a week, but this time with my skin, I'm not gonna test the limits because I don't feel like my skin being irritated and then I have to nurse it again back to health. So again, glycolic acid is really the next step to exfoliating, okay? Taking your exfoliation to another level when you use glycolic acid, and especially using my vitamin C serums, my hyaluronic acid. Vitamin C in itself automatically brightens the skin, and hyaluronic acid is very good. It helps it helps retain your youthfulness. So we're all getting older, and you always want to just try to do what you can to preserve your youthfulness. So, you know, I hear people all the time say, well, I'm not worried about getting older. And I mean, maybe you're not, because you're not at the stage right now. In my 20s, in my 30s, I really wasn't thinking about getting older, you know. When you get to our age, you know, I'm 48, I'll be 49 in October. When you get my age, that's when you will start thinking about your skin. You'll just start seeing things a little different, you know, as you get older. It's now 4 minutes. So now, what I want to do, I want to take this off. Because the baking soda settles in the bottom, so what I do is just stir this up. And you can actually hear it when it starts, when you're taking it off. I don't know if you can hear it. It's amazing. I don't know how it peels it off, or whether it dissolves the dead skin. I'm not really sure. I don't know, you know, the scientific fact behind it. But listen to this. You can hear it. So first you want to make sure you neutralize it. So now once I neutralize my skin, I want to go ahead and take my washcloth. This is my beauty cloth for my face that I use when I wash my skin, and I just go over it now. This is when I go back over it, making sure I have everything off, all of the baking soda water solution off of my skin. Now I'm just telling you, my skin feels so baby bottom soft is the only way I can describe this. Yeah, baby bottom soft. So yes, I mean, it really feels nice and smooth. I mean, it just looks brighter. So this is the time when you want to add your hyaluronic acid, your vitamin C to your skin. This is the time you want to replenish your skin with all the products, all your good skincare products. And it just feels, I don't know, skincare, when applying my skincare, it just feels so good to me. I just really enjoy it, you know. I don't know why. Maybe the fact that I enjoy it is because, you know, I know that I'm treating my skin good. So, and I'm applying my hyaluronic acid. I'm just telling you. So my vitamin C and my hyaluronic acid is by goPure. I mean, I love these serums because they are so affordable. If you've been with me any length of time, you know I am affiliated with goPure. Their products are amazing yet affordable. Their serums are like $15, $16, $19 compared to $35, $40, $60, $80 serums, you know, and they are really effective and they're affordable. That's what I love about them. So, yep, and I will put the link and my code, NeeCJae. I'll put it right here, and you get 10% off your first order or your entire purchase. Anytime you make a purchase, 10% off. So just use NeeCJae 10. I'm gonna put it right here. What I do, I'm double moisturizing. I am all about double moisturizing. I am going to use Confidence in a Cream because this is a thick, rich, creamy moisturizer. After I did this peel, I really want to go back in and really use a thick, creamy moisturizer for my skin just to treat my skin, because exfoliating removes a lot of the oils, not only the dead skin, it removes some of the oils from your skin. So I really want to come back in and replenish it and just rehydrate my skin. It also, you know, hydrating your skin comes with the proper amount of water. Drinking water is very, very, very important for your skin. I just want to throw that in this because sometimes I really forget to add that in there. I drink at least 8 bottles of water per day. You know, that really aids in my skincare as well. When I'm not drinking enough water, I can tell by my skin. My skin lets me know, hey, you're not drinking any water, because it will just start, it will act out. To go back in and like seal it all in with my Pond's moisturizing cream. I'm telling you, if you have dry skin, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you have oily skin, you're probably like, oh my goodness, I cannot believe they're putting all that moisturizer on your skin. But trust me, we need it. If you have very bone dry skin like I do, oh my goodness, these creams and oils feel so good to my skin. Now, especially with this deep exfoliation, you know, it removes all of the buildup, it's removing all of the dead skin, the outer layer of dead skin, and removing oils that come along with that. So yes, I am replenishing my skin, and it feels so good right now. My skin just feels really good, really healthy, really smooth and hydrated. So let me know if you have ever done a chemical peel, a glycolic acid peel basically. Let me know if you've done that in the comments below. I thank you guys so very much for tuning in. This is all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. Every product that I use, I will link it in the description box below. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah.
Before you say goodbye.
Bye.